Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. This video will look at accessing the flow regulation information from within NMP flight. Wherever in the interface that you see a regulation name or a regulation name with a plus, which means that there is more than one regulation for that flight, you can click on the hyperlink and it will open a new tab in the NMP flow application showing the single or multiple regulations associated to your flight. In this case, I'm going to take this flight, and already in the flight list I have a hyperlink. I open the second glance and it shows me 3 of the regulation names listed with 3 dots afterwards, which tells me there is more than 3. And if I go into the flight management screen, when that opens, again in the results table there are 5 regulations listed, all with a hyperlink. And finally, in the flight details tab of the third pane, in the regulations area, the 5 regulations are again shown with a hyperlink, as well as the most penalizing regulation is shown with the plus to show that there's more than one. And if I'd clicked on any of those hyperlinks, which I'll do now, it opens a new tab in the NMP flow application with those regulations all listed. If I want to go into more detail, I can click at the front and open the second glance of that regulation. And at the end of the row, when it's highlighted, if I click in the Actions menu, there is other information I can access from within the Flow application. One last feature that has been added in the latest release is the information on the average delay of the most penalizing regulation. For my flight here, I have a target time over the fix of the regulation at 17:57, and in the table at that time it shows me the average delay is 6 minutes. And if I want to see a flight list based on the most penalizing regulation, there is a hyperlink that I click on and it opens a new tab, and here it executes a flight list based on the regulation that was most penalizing for my flight. I close that down and I'm back to my original flight. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.